Hi, and welcome to Caterpillar Team Chess Puzzle. This one is white to move and mate in 8. Try it yourself. The solution is castling on the queen side. And after black takes your pawn, you play rook to d8, cutting the king's way back. So he has to take another pawn. And now you play rook to d7, doing the exact same thing once again. So he has to keep taking your pawns. And now you just move your rook one square over and over again until black's king reaches the first rank, after which you have a checkmate. Here's another one, more caterpillar-like. White to move and mate in 6. Once again, pause the video and try it yourself. The solution is bishop to b1. And now black cannot move his king, so he has to move a pawn. The only one he can move is b2. And now you move the rook to the only square he cannot take it. And he has to move his second pawn. And you move the rook. He has to move his third pawn. And now once again, you just keep doing it until black moves his last pawn. Now you can play bishop to e4, which is a checkmate. So you win once again. Thanks for watching and have a great day!